Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I'm going to share with you some really quick, easy, everyday hairstyles, stuff that we like to do to our hair all the time, like little simple French braids, messy buns, things like that. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do a messy bun. I personally had to reteach myself how to do a messy bun when I cut my hair. I used to have hair all the way down to my waist and I cut off almost 11.5 inches. Since then it has grown about 1 to 2 inches, so I'm kind of in that medium length now, but I still had to reteach myself how to do a messy bun because I had no idea how to do it with short hair. So I figured I would share with you a quick, easy, everyday hairstyle. So let's get into it.
So first you're going to want to start with just brushing out your hair with your fingers. I like to do this instead of using a hairbrush because it creates a little bit more of a messy look. And then you're going to just want to start gathering all your hair onto the top of your head and pulling it back into a ponytail. I just comb through with my fingers until I'm happy with how it looks. Then I'm going to brush out a little bit of the actual ponytail, take my hair tie, pull it over the ponytail till I feel my ends, then flip my hand backwards and around, then grab the ponytail and flip the hairband over it. Then you're just going to want to start pulling on the actual bun to help separate it out and create some volume. Then take your ends that are facing forward and then flip them around towards the back so that the main bun is on the top of your head. And then you can just start pulling on the bun and just be gentle because you don't want to pull it all the way through until you're happy and satisfied with the volume of the bun. And then that's all there is to it. You'll have a really cute big bubble bun with a little bit of a messy side. I really like this look because it's super casual, but if you want to make it a little bit more elegant, you can use a bobby pin to close this side to create a little bit more of a finished bun.
So there you have it, really quick, easy, messy bun tutorial. I really don't spend too much time when I'm putting my hair up in a messy bun. I literally just do the same technique over and over until I'm like happy with the end result. And I always flip the ends under just because I find that they don't stick up towards the front and it looks a little bit more complete. If you really want to hide the ends, only because my hair is stick straight, so when it's curled I can tuck them a little bit easier. But if your hair is stick straight like mine and you don't feel like curling it, because obviously that's another step and sometimes we don't have time, getting a little hair scarf, taking the scarf, putting it around and then tying it will hide all the ends, and it also looks great for an everyday look. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for some more tutorials.